Here.
Yay!
Yes! Please tell me you're gonna
Yes!
No.
That is awesome! Oh my god. Good boy! Hapshi!
Talisker. Talisker, who's a good boy? Talisker. Talisker. No.
Pet Lily? Pet you? Pet Lily? Pet you? Pet Lily?
Okay. How? How can you get over the gate, but you can't? What is this?
These are words my dog knows according to my dog. Look! Park. Speak. Do you want to go in the car? Kiss. Thank you.
दोनों मेरी टीम में रहने चाहिए. I can't lose them. Can I talk to somebody? Production house से या channel से कोई मुझसे नहीं हो रहा.
Unhappy mama. Well, guess what? That is your fault. That is your fault.
You turkey.
Yo, what's good, shawty? Your man still around?
Hey, dude, did I wake you up from a nap, man? Hey, sit. Sit. Oh my god.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. What? What? Damn tail, you idiot. What? What? I don't understand.
I think you can balance the care and the love for the animals with a profitable business as well. That's what we try to do. Soul Food says,
making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Leave it. Murphy, leave him. Leave it. Take it. What you doing, dog? What you doing, dog?
Your inbox is literally filled with penises. I'm so sorry. Oh, look. Ed Miller from Payroll.
Before I do this, is there any possible way that we could still keep dating?
There's no way y'all are falling asleep right now.
Either you don't run for office,
Which is out of the question.
or you break up with him and avoid.
My dog has eyebrows.
Are you, like, oh, okay. Were you sleeping? Or were you looking at something? What? Like, what are you doing?
Why are you on the bed? Do you belong on the bed? No, you're bad. You're bad. Don't smile at me. Don't smile at me. I see that. It's unacceptable.
Clyde, I need to get my homework done.
Clyde, I don't have time right now. No. Clyde, we can't. I have to get this done. I'm sorry. Come on, Clyde. Please.